Hi guys, my name is Laureate. I'm a design engineer, and this video is about SolidWorks computer aided design. So today we're going to learn about how to use the Extrude Cut feature in SolidWorks. So first of all, the Extrude Cut feature is used to cut through a thickness. Okay, so if you want to create a cut through an already extruded body, that's when you use the Extrude Cut feature. So I have this body here already extruded. I want to cut through it. I'm just going to hit Sketch. So I want to make a circular cut, for example, and then I click Extrude Cut. I specify how far the depth of my cut should be. I can use the arrow, I can also use the specific dimensioning just to make sure that I'm on the right path. Okay, so that's it. I've created a cut. What if I wanted it to go through? I could just, you can use any of these features here, through all. That works. And then we have a complete hole. So pretty much anything you want to achieve in relation to creating holes in SolidWorks, you can just achieve with the Extrude Cut feature. Alright. So that's it for today guys. Catch you in the next video.